Hey guys, today I have some surprise eggs. These are called Wonderpals, and it says see who's your pal inside. Different pals to collect. I have never done these ones before, but I thought they would look quite cool. Then I have a Shopkins candy collection egg. Each egg has one collectible, one sticker, and some candy. And there are 12 to collect. I have a Paw Patrol surprise egg, a Trolls surprise egg, and these 3 barn surprise, pet surprise with these little barns. I thought they were so cute, but I don't know what's inside. It's got 10 to collect, and I'm guessing it's probably a farm animal. So let's open some. Which ones should we open first? Which one should we open first? This one? Let's open the Shopkins egg. There we go. Let's open it inside. And we'll see. There we go. There's the sticker. It says True Love Shopkins with some ice cream and some chocolate. And it's got a donut. There we go. That's this one, right? There. So cute. So cute. And it's got some candy with all the different Shopkins. Isn't that cool? You want to eat one? Alright, how does it taste? Delicious? Awesome! That is so fun. Which one should we open next? Trolls? Okay, it's got Princess Poppy on the front of the egg. Should we see what's inside? Oh! Jelly beans! Oh yeah! Pink jelly beans and yellow jelly beans. Do you want to try one? Yes. How does it taste? Yummy? It tastes yummy. Inside we also have some Blanche stickers and some Princess Poppy stickers, and it has a cupcake and some flowers. That is super fun. And then we also inside it has an eraser, but we could have gotten any of those things. It would have come with a sticker or a hair tie or a hairbrush. Those are so much fun. Let's see what's in the Paw Patrol egg. Yeah, this one. Should we open it? Yeah, we're going to open this one. Oh, wow, we got more jelly beans. Yes. Pink and yellow. And then we also have, what is this? It's a little book. It's a Paw Patrol book. So then you could write on it. We've also got some stickers. Yeah, we've got stickers. You want some more? You want to try those? And inside, that's what we could have gotten. So that's all the different surprises you could have gotten. That is so fun. Should we open these ones or these ones? These ones? Yes. Okay, we'll open a barn. Let's cut the bottom. What's inside? Oh look, it's so cute. Does the door open? The door does open. And inside, it's hard to tell. It comes with, I think it's supposed to be hay. And there's candy inside. And a fence. There we go. Comes with some cow candies. See, they're little cows. And then, tend to collect, I got a haystack and a fence that I can clip together. There we go. And that, oh, you clip that onto your barn. Let's check out what came with the other ones. Because it says here, we might collect an animal. That would be so fun. Let's open the next barn. And open the door and pull out the candy, which is just more little cow candies. And inside we have a wild boar. That is this one. It's a wild boar to go inside my previous fence. And inside I have 2 more fences. So what I could do is I'll put my barns together. Oh, I can't. That's okay. We could do this instead. So that one clips on here, and that clips on the other barn. And then we can clip that fence together. And we'll get one more, and we'll fix the little boar. And there we go. Let's get one more. We'll see what's inside. More candy. They probably all come with candy. These are such fun candies. We can put those down there and add a pile of candy right there. And inside I have two more fence palings. And oh, it's stuck. I also got a hedgehog. That is super, super fun. We'll put the hedgehog on the haystack, and we can put this together. And there we go. And we can put that paling together. And there's the fence. Look how fun is that? You could get as many as you want, and they'll all eventually connect together. That is so fun with my hedgehog and my wild boar. Oh, that is fun. We'll move those over to the side because I thought that was so enjoyable. Should we leave the doors open in case they decide to go back in to their barns? There, that is so fun. And we'll leave this one just in the middle so they can play around it. Did you want to put a sticker on? Come over here, let's see your hand. Let's take the sticker off.
What's that?
That's her. Ta-da! That is fun. All right, let's open our Wonder Pets. Yeah? We'll do a red one first? All right, let's open the red one. Let's see what's inside. Inside the red one is, oh, that is so cool. It's an elephant. It's a plush elephant. So that is so much fun. We'll put that right there. Oh, that is so fun. And then what's inside this one? It's a green one. What do you think it's going to be? Do you think that'll be fun? You think we should open this one? Okay. A tiger! That is so cool. All right. And we'll go ahead and we'll open the yellow one. That is so fun. All right, let's open it up. And oh, I think it's a sloth. That is so cool. Isn't that so cool? And these eggs you can use all over again for something else. That is so fun. All right, let's open it up. Alrighty, let's open this last one up. What's inside this blue one?
It's candy.
You think it's candy? I don't think it's candy. I think it's a toy. Oh, it's another elephant. We got two elephants. See, and they're actually so cute. Oop, I dropped him. That is so fun. This is everything we opened today. It is so much fun. Get to eat some candy. Got us a barn. Oh, this was so much fun. Thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe our page. And hopefully you join us next time. Thanks, bye.
Yes.